What is today? July 28th, I believe it is. We're on the Tar River, and this is what the Tar River looks like after, I don't know, what was it, 4 or 5 straight days of hard freaking rains. Yeah, she's flooded. So let's go see what's out there. Well, right there's the entrance to Wildwood. There's usually a beach right there. Let's watch the logs. There's a fucking log spot right there. Yep, that looks like a log caught right there. We could probably move that. Maybe on the way back. See if we can get an idea just how fast the river's moving right now. I mean, I know it's not whitewater conditions like some of y'all boys are used to seeing, but for the Tar River, it's pretty good right here. Yeah, a couple miles an hour. Town Common. There's the dock where I normally see people fishing from. I mean, you can't see it right now, but that sign right there, that no wake sign, sits about 4 feet above the dock that I normally see folks fishing on. This right here is just the kayak launch ramp, so it floats. The other one, clearly nobody's fishing today. At least not from there. Alright, here's where it starts getting a little freaky. This bridge usually produces a whole lot of whirlpools. Some of them are a little scary, but I've never not gotten through them, so let's see what happens. Here's going to be the fun part. Normally it's hard enough to get through here without the river being high. Oh, this is going to suck. Oh yeah, we're blocked off now. Yep, that is completely blocked. So normally I could get right through there, but that ain't happening today. Let's get the flock out of here. Yep, they got this son of a bitch completely blocked. Oh well, so much for making Falkland today. Let's go put this thing back on the trailer before somebody gets hurt. The whirlpools aren't too bad today. It has come down a little since Friday. It didn't rain a whole lot Friday, but you can tell it rained. There's two big square piles under those round pilings right there, and it just causes all kinds of vortex. Well, I reckon that's our adventure up the river. Nothing too exciting today, but 2 days after a pretty good rainstorm week, river's full. Park bench. There's usually people fishing from that. I found a ball. I found a ball. Nope, look at there, the tree's gone. Oh, there it is. Well, that was a lot of fun.